Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you a beginner guide to edits on Instagram. So if you want to learn what Edit is all about, then let me show you how to use this application. So Edit is a new video creation app by Instagram that helps creators make great videos on their phone. So it's an easy way to track your ideas, powerful editing tools, and actionable insights. So it has all of the tools you need to support your creation process in one place. So first you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. Here you're searching for Edits, the Instagram app. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, it'll ask you which account you want to continue with. So if you already have Instagram installed on your phone, it'll basically recognize your account. Go ahead and tap on Continue with Instagram and your account. Now here, you'll come to this edit interface. So at the bottom here, you've got 5 buttons. So the first one is where you can capture all your ideas. So if you tap on the plus sign, you can go ahead and write your ideas. And they'll all come down as a sticky note. Now your second tab is your play button, where you get your inspiration from. So you can watch all these videos. You can go ahead and tap on the plus sign to save it. Or you can go ahead and use the audio to create a video out of it. So you can use your own camera, or you can use a media from your phone library. Now your third tab is your projects. So this is where you're going to create your project. So this is where you're going to edit your project. So if you have any videos you have recorded, or if you have any videos or photos in your phone gallery, by using this tab, you'll be able to create your very own project or very own video. And you can go ahead and use the editing tools in it. The fourth tab is your camera. So this is where you can record your videos. So you can use 1x zoom, 2x zoom. You can use sound. You can go ahead and have the green background. And the last one is your insight. So insight basically gives you a stat about your account. So basically it shows you how many people have viewed your reels, how much it has reached, your net following, your likes, comments, shares, and your saves. So this will basically give you all the information about your Instagram account. So there you go, guys. That is a beginner's guide to edits on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.